Good morning, class. In last video we have studied about pronoun. In this video we will study about subject pronoun and object pronoun. So see, a picture is on your screen. Ram is pushing a box. Means who is doing the work here? Ram is doing action. So Ram is subject and Ram is pushing a box and action is happening on a box, so it is an object. Okay, let's use pronoun instead of noun. So see, Ram is noun, so what pronoun we will use in place of Ram? He. In same manner, for a box we will use it. So children, he is subject pronoun and it is object pronoun. See children, this is a list of subject pronoun and the object pronoun we use for particular subject. Okay, so you can see this and learn this. Now let's see one more thing. Golu is playing with the ball. Let's replace subject noun with subject pronoun and object noun with object pronoun. In first sentence, Golu is playing with the ball. So subject, who is subject here? Golu, because Golu is doer of work. And who is object? What is object? The ball. Let's replace noun with pronoun. So Golu is subject and he is masculine gender, so we will use he instead of Golu. And the ball, it is object and we will replace it with it. So he is subject pronoun and it is object pronoun here. Okay children, let's take one more example. Kittu is watching the birds. Who is doer of the action? Kittu. So Kittu is subject noun and action is happening on the birds. So birds क्या हुए? Object. Let's replace subject noun with subject pronoun. Kittu is a boy, so we will use he in place of Kittu. And the bird, we will use them. So he is subject pronoun here and them is object pronoun here. Okay children, so remember this, the doer of action is subject and on which the action is happening will be called the object. Now see, Golu is playing with the ball. Playing is verb here. Okay, so children, this subject noun is always used before the verb. Okay, so we will use subject pronoun before the verb. Okay, in same manner and object noun is used after the verb. So object pronoun will also be used after the verb. Okay children, it should be very clear to you. In most of the sentence it can be seen, not always, but in most of the sentences. Okay, now see children, what is singular first person? I is singular first person and we is also singular first person. I is subject pronoun and me is object pronoun. Okay children, so this is singular first person. Both the words I and me are singular first person pronoun and singular second person pronoun are you. You is for subject pronoun we use you, and for object pronoun we also use you. See children, singular third person. See, he, she, it, these are subject pronoun for third person. Him, her and it, these are object pronoun for third person. Okay, Now see plural first person. We and us. These are plural first person. We is subject pronoun and us is object pronoun. And now see plural second person. Here you, again in both the cases object pronoun and subject pronoun we use you. Okay. Now see plural third person pronoun. For this we use they and them. They is subject pronoun whereas them is object pronoun. See children, one chart I am showing you. This you can see first person pronoun, second person pronoun and third person pronoun for singular objects, for singular, and for plural first person, second person and third person. Okay. Hope you have understood this chapter. Thank you.